You're gonna miss things. I'm gonna have something. What is that? Oh my goodness! It's a dead bird. Oh my god! Touch it. Touch it.
Why are you recording this damn bird?
How did you know it was a dead bird?
Get me off that camera. On an actual YouTube channel. No.
Yes,
Okay. You're right. Totally.
he has a real YouTube.
Right? What's the name of it? What's the name of it?
What's up?
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
J Dog. Mine?
Yep.
That's mine.
So if I search Justin Bryant on YouTube, you will come up.
I don't know.
Search up not a real
Look up
ad.
J-Dog TV. TV. And then space W.
Well, I'm gonna get back to this dead bird. There's a freaking dead bird. Jasmine, there's a dead bird right here.
My first view.
It probably goes to this nest. I hope it didn't have eggs.
You record off your iPod.
Well,
Dab on them phones.